Hi everyone, Chris here, Lab Director at Forever Labs. Talk a lot about hearts this time of year, giving them away or wearing them on your sleeves. But at Forever Labs, we view the heart as your most vital biological engine. This Valentine's Day, we're exploring how to unbreak your heart by leveraging the science of your own biology. Cardiovascular care has been reactive, managing symptoms only after the damage occurs. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs, are shifting that paradigm toward active restoration. These aren't just treatments, they're your body's natural regenerative repair kit. MSCs work through several key mechanisms. First, they act as a powerful anti-inflammatories, dampening the chronic immune response that worsens heart damage. Second, they stimulate angiogenesis, the formation of brand new blood vessels to restore oxygen and nutrients to starved tissue. Finally, they help prevent the formation of rigid scar tissue by encouraging the heart's own resident cells to wake up and proliferate, helping the muscle retain its strength and flexibility. This isn't just speculation, it's in the science. The DREAM-HF Phase 3 clinical trial, the largest of its kind, demonstrated that bone marrow-derived mesenchymal progenitor cells, a subset of MSCs, reduced the risk of heart attack by a staggering 58%. The cumulative evidence shows that we can now move beyond symptom management towards meaningfully improving heart function. This is the future of cardiovascular medicine, transforming care from the simply prolonging life to actively restoring health. Your heart has been there for you since the beginning. This year, return the favor. By storing your youngest, most potent MSCs today, you aren't just celebrating a holiday, you're also securing biological insurance for your future.